Hey there, I'm Jan from Lumnio, and I'm back with another Lumnio lesson. In this one, we'll explore the advanced features of work instructions. We'll learn how to link another work instructions, explore more advanced steps, and finish by looking at the edit history. So, let's get started. We'll open our project we created in the previous video. Here, we'll add some steps to the last section. First is the link to work instructions step. We'll add it after the problem selector. If the user selected that the washer fluid is low, we'll want to show them a tutorial for refilling. The link step will launch another work instructions, and when the user finishes, they will return back to this one. So, let's name our step and select the correct work instruction file. It's important that this file has a published version available. If there's none, Lumnio will let you know when publishing this work instructions. I'll add a visibility rule to show the step only when necessary, and we're ready to create another step. This time it will be a new issue step. This step creates an issue report automatically. We'll fill out the necessary info for dealing with a new scratch on the company car. You can also add a new task to this issue report, but we'll leave that for later. So, as you can see, the report is filled out, and now everyone who triggers this step will create a new issue report automatically. These will end up here on the Issue tab, where they can be assigned and eventually resolved. Let's move on to the next new step. This one is a task. It works pretty much the same as the Issue step, the only difference is it creates a task instead of an issue. You can choose between a basic task and a work instruction task that comes with attached work. It's basically like the link to work instructions, but with the crucial difference that the work can be done later and by other people. We'll pick that one and attach a blinker fluid replacement work instructions to it. When the user triggers this step, a new task requiring this work will be created. This task will be unassigned though, so don't forget to check the Tasks tab when using this feature. So, we created an automatic assignment of work. Now for some confirmation. In the latest update, we added a new step type called Signature, which collects signatures. If the work instructions run on a mobile device like a phone, the user or the person we want the signature from can scribble it on the screen. If they run on the RealWear headset, the user will take a photo of the signature. So let's add it to confirm the car has been returned successfully. Now, let's take a look at other advanced options. You can find them up here. You can copy sections from other work instructions, and as you might have seen when adding steps, you can do the same with steps. But we're mainly interested in the history. If you open it, you can see all changes made to this work instructions file. And you can roll back every published version, so if you made some changes you don't want, you can always go back to something that worked. Next, you can upload a report template. We explore this in a separate video you should definitely watch if you're interested in creating reports from work instructions usage. You can also export your work instructions as a zip file. That's useful if you need to move work instructions between organizations. Deleting a draft of the work instructions is pretty self-explanatory, and invalidating the published version is useful when you want to unpublish the work instructions so that they won't appear to the end users. And that's everything covered. We learned all about linking work instructions and other advanced steps, and we discovered the edit history. I hope you liked this Lumnio lesson, and I'll